Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to mute specific words from accounts you don't follow on X right from your computer. This feature is perfect if you want a cleaner feed without unwanted topics or phrases showing up. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on your homepage, look to the side menu and click on the More icon. It's the one with three dots that opens a menu of additional options. From there, click on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage everything about your account. Under Settings and Privacy, find and select Privacy and Safety. This is where all your control options for content filtering and account interactions are located. Now, click on Mute and Block. This section lets you manage muted accounts, blocked users, and muted words. What we're focusing on today is muted words, so go ahead and select that option. On the muted words page, you'll see a list of any words you've already muted. To mute a new word, click on the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. A new window will appear where you can set all the details. Type in the word or phrase you want to mute. Think of anything you don't want to see in your timeline or notifications. Then you'll notice options like mute from and duration. Under mute from, select from people you don't follow. This makes sure only posts from users outside your circle are filtered out, keeping your experience more tailored. Next, under duration, you can choose how long you'd like the word to stay muted forever or for a limited time. Once you've filled in your preferences, click on Save. That's it. You've successfully muted a word from people you don't follow on X. Now, your feed will stay focused on the content you actually care about. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides.